In this segment of this video, we are going to discuss how you can create list and how you can manage data using Microsoft List. So let me share my screen, and here you can see I am on home page of Microsoft List. So here you can see these many lists are created for our organization to manage our organization data. So let me open a list. I'm going to open leads list, and it's quite similar to the Microsoft Excel or Google Sheet. We have these many columns and these many rows. So in case of Microsoft Excel and Google Sheet, what we do if we want to insert a new row, we just insert using row, and that is what you can also do using Microsoft List. Click on edit in grid view, and you will now you can see your layout is quite similar to the Microsoft Excel or Google Sheet, where you will just go here, type your value in these columns, and your role will be created. For example, demo, and this is how we can create a new row. And when your editing is completed, you will just click on exit grid view, and you can see I have a new row here. So let me go here because this value is required. So don't save my changes. I don't want to create new row, and this is how you can exit from the editing mode. In Excel, we can also swap our columns. Here you can also drag and move your columns here and there based on your requirements. If you want to create a new column in Excel, we directly create a column, but here you will click on add column, and you will have these many options. For example, you can create a column which can hold text. You can create a column which is based on choice. You can create a column for date and time. You can create a column for multiple line of text. You can create a column for person. You can create a column for number, as no value, hyperlink, currency, location, image, managed metadata, and lookup. So if you create a column for a particular type, your column is going to hold that kind of data. For example, if you are creating a column for choice and putting some values like demo, and here you can change the value for choice. So let me go back and we'll try from creating a new list. In case you want to create a new list, you will click on new list, and here we have four options like blank list, from existing list, from Excel, and from CSV. So I'm going to create a list from blank list. Apart from that, you can see these many templates are already available. You can select from these templates. For if you want to create a list for issue tracker, you will use this. Employee onboarding, you will use this. Event itinerary, you will use this. Asset manager, recruitment tracker, travel requests. So these are the templates which are available. You can select any of them if your requirement is related to those templates. So I'm going to create a new list. Here you will give the name, like I'm just going to give name demo, so I will have a better idea. Demo marketing, and from here you can select a icon. So I'm going to select this, and here we have multiple sites. We will discuss about sites. If you already know about Microsoft SharePoint sites, you will select a site. and it will store in that particular site. I'm going to select my list and create a list. So here is my list. The title column is by default, so you will get title column in every case. But if you want to rename it, you will go here and rename from here. Apart from that, we can add new columns. For example, I'm going to add a text column, that is client name, and then I'm going to add one more column, that is date and time, created date, no time, save. Then I'm going to add one more column, that is status, and choice will be active and inactive. So we can also select a default value, that is active, created. So now my demo marketing list is ready. In case of creating new value, I will click on add new, and here we can add a demo list. Client name is Sandeep. Date and time created, that is 28. Again here, no attachment, and save. So one record is created in a way like we insert value in Excel and Google Sheet. I will go in grid view and add demo lead, demo list 2. I will add a name like Anoop, and again I will select a date and time, that is might be 6, and then inactive. So once editing is completed, you will click on exit grid view. So now we have two rows here, and this is how you can create a list. You can add columns and you can add value. Let me go back to the list home page. So let me click here and list. So now you can see our list should be here, which we created, demo marketing. So now it's available here. In case like you want to delete this list, how can you do that? You will click here and we have multiple settings, like you can change the name, you can change the color of this grid, and you can also uh, change the icons which you already selected. Apart from that, we have here share, so you can share with the people within your organization, outside your organization, like we share other stuff, other documents. In a similar way, you can share this list as well. For example, you can change, you can type the name of the person, or like you want to share with share this list with organization or your department. For example, if I want to share this list with HR department, I will type STWHR and I will have the HR department. And then here you can change the person can edit or view only. You can give that access. Apart from that, you can set the password and date and time when this link is going to expire. You can also people from your organization, only people from your organization can access. People with the existing access, the people who has access on only can access this grid, and people you choose, like I already selected HR department. And this is how you can restrict your sharing in case you are sharing with the external people, in case you are sharing with the department people, or which kind of rights they will have once they will edit or view this grid. Apart from that, we have removed from this recent list. You want that it should not be visible here on recent. You can stop syncing. You want to stop syncing data on this list, you will use. So in case you want to delete this list, you will go here and click on delete, and this is how you can delete this list. So let me cancel. So like I discussed how you can create new list, how you can edit and add value in the list, how you can swap the columns and create new columns in Microsoft list. So you realize that this is way powerful than Microsoft Excel and Google Sheet when it comes to the manage data.